Let me bring in my guest, John Mobley, to weigh in on this one. John, defense counsel still going, still trying to get the judge to let him dive into those facts of the bank robbery and the other charges that were ultimately dismissed in federal court. What do you think about what counsel is doing here, please?
Well, honestly, Julie, I have to respectfully disagree with what people are the opinions on this one so far, because ultimately, what I believe, I agree with the defense attorney, but he's not properly articulating his point. And the difference has to do with how state sentencing is different from federal sentencing. In federal, in state court, you get convicted of a crime. Let's say it's bank robbery. It's a mandatory minimum of 10, a maximum of 30. You get a sentence anywhere in between. In federal court, the sentencing guidelines are different. For that same bank robbery, in federal court, there are certain facts that lead to what are called enhancements, which means certain factual findings can increase the amount of time a person is facing. For example, if you commit a robbery, you're facing X amount of months. However, if they find that you used a firearm during the robbery, well, that will add up potentially up to another 8 months on your sentence under the guidelines.
Right.
If they make a finding that you assaulted someone during the bank robbery, well, that would also be a fact that would increase your sentence under the guidelines. So what the defense should be articulating is there certain factual enhancements that he received the benefit of as part of his plea negotiation. That, hey, without the benefit of the plea, he would have been facing another 12 months or 15 months.
You're exactly right. It's you get the motivation. I know you get but like you said, he's not going about it the right way to try to just say, Judge, I want to ask him. I want to find out. No, this isn't a deposition. This isn't discovery. No, you should know what you're going for. And you're right, John. If he did the homework and knew, oh, okay, you got the benefit of having, whatever gun specifications or whatever it was removed, then that might go to some of the motivation to testify one way or the other. John, stand by, please. Let's go back in. I understand that the arguments are over. Jury's back.